So you have this customers table here, this table. How do you insert some new data into this table? We can achieve that using a SQL insert statement that actually lets us insert new data into the table. How do we do that? I'll just show you that right now. The syntax for the insert statement goes like this: insert into, then the table name, which is the customers here, and then we will explicitly specify the column names that we want to store our values in. So we will do cust ID, cust name, cust address, cust city, cust state, cust zip, and so on. Cust email. Oops, I have this here. Cust ID, let's make sure this is correct. Cust ID, cust name, cust address, cust city, cust state, zip, country, contact, cust email. Awesome. So, and then we are going to specify the values that we are going to insert into these specific columns. And the syntax is the same. Let's copy this here, make it 6 so it's in a sequence. Doesn't matter, but I want to make it unique, so it's a primary key, and primary keys are always unique. Thailand, one, 4, 5 street, I guess. City, New York. Zip. I'll do, if that makes sense. USA. Customer contact, I can do John Adams, some random name. Customer email, I can do null. Imagine we don't have an email for this guy, so we can just leave it null on it. You can place null for anything you want. For any information that you don't have, you can have null. Save it. So let's look at this expression again. Insert into the table name customers. After customers come the parentheses. In parentheses, we will have all the column names that kind of match the the table that we want to add our values in. And then comes the values. Let's see, let's save it and let's see if this works. Source join script.sql. Oh, I think I have a typo here. Yeah. Save that again. Run this again. Awesome. Query okay. One row affected. So that means it worked, I guess. Let's check it out. Select star from customers. Nice. You can see this row down here. Thailand, 145 Street, John Adams. Now, awesome. Good job. Good job. Sometimes to make your code pretty, you can align these however you want to. Sometimes I use a SQL beautifier. So if you go on Google and just search for SQL beautifier, and you can copy paste your code in it and just click the button, it will do this formatting for you, so it looks kind of pretty and nice. Yeah, if you want to do that, you can do that. I usually do it because I like seeing what I'm reading. I like reading what I'm seeing, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and the same result. I mean, just wanted to beautify this code and so that you can see what's going on. And that's pretty much it for inserting data into a table. You can specify any column you want. You can skip any column you want, but make sure the value matches that specific column. I'm just going to minimize this a bit. So here the customer ID matches this value right here, matches the customer ID. This customer name matches this. So it's like a mapping. So the customer ID is mapping to this, customer name is mapping to this, customer address is mapping to this, and Y is mapping to the state, email is mapping to the null. So make sure if you skip some column, make sure you insert the right value for that specific column. What I mean by that is, if you wanna, for example, if you want to add a new record and you don't want the customer contact information there, what you can do, you can delete that, and you will also have to remove this because otherwise it's not going to match. Let's change this to 7 because this is going to be our new record. Thailand. Yeah, change the name. Change some information if you want. Save it. Let's run this again. Whoops. Run this again. Query okay, Wonder effective. Let's see what's going on. Select from customers. Awesome. You can see our new row down here. Thailandia. And as you can see, because we didn't specify the customer contact, we have a null here. So that's good. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you different things that you can do with the insert statement. And that's how you insert data into a table.